So this is threading the auto bobbin winder. Has this
Just
nice
go around
brush.
that brush. Pull it through. And have it. Okay, so then you take the tail and you drop it into the bottom of the bobbin like that. Put it in there. Lock it down. Actually, I'm supposed to spin it around a little bit first. Bring that up there, make sure that's in the slot, and it's ready to go. And it stopped there because this was adjusted here. Wind your bobbin farther out and then you adjust this farther out. You just loosen this and slide it this way, and that's the automatic stop inside for where this turns off at, and you adjust it according to your bobbin. It just depends on how far out you want your bobbin to wind. And then inside of this block there's a spring, and then this pushes on the spring, and so we need to tighten that up a little bit so this has more tension against it. So just do that. Try that. That's more.
Improvise by getting a little